Okay, now let's talk about a special topic which we'll spend a little bit of time on here. Limits at infinity. What I mean by limits at infinity, let's first talk about limits at some number, and then actually I'll explain that. So let's say we have the limit of some function 2x squared minus 5x as x approaches 0. Well, obviously as x approaches 0, this term gets tiny, so that also approaches 0. And that term gets tiny, so that approaches 0. So the limit of this function as x approaches 0 is 0. But what if we had the same function, limit of 2x squared minus 5x, and I wanted to know what happens when x approaches infinity. Well, when x approaches infinity, let me turn back to white, this right here becomes huge, right? That becomes very large. We could say that it actually also approaches infinity. Likewise, this approaches infinity. So we get this term infinity minus infinity. And that's a problem. Sad face. That's a problem. So let's discuss that in the next video.